chair. I'm in a hills chair. I have to congratulate you for to make people know about the day today. Okay, over.
No problem, no problem, my friend. I keep the head up, I have also a disability. I'm nearly blind. Thank you very much, Papa Yankee 2 Alpha X-Ray. It's with a pleasure. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, it's Papa Yankee number 1. Okay, correct my call. Papa Yankee 1 Alpha X-Ray. I make a video for this contact. 73, and congratulations for your attention for us. 73, my friend, all the best. Keep it strong. Let's go.
Thank you very much. Obrigado. Un abrazo.
Ciao, ciao. Um abraço.
Oscar Tango 5. Italy Delta, Papa Delta. X-ray. The station with X-ray again. Roger. Oscar Tango 5. Italy Delta, Papa Delta. Oscar Tango 5. Italy Delta, Papa Delta. Station again.
Italy Delta, Papa Delta. Oscar Tango 5.
Oscar Tango 5. Italy Delta, Papa
Italy Delta, Papa Delta. 73, my friend. Thank you for your attention. And to remind people about the date.
Papa Yankee 2 again. Papa Delta 2, Delta Charlie X-ray. Papa Yankee 2, Delta Charlie X-ray. This is Oscar Tango 5, India Delta, Papa Delta, Special Event Station from Belgica. QSL?
Bélgica.
Yeah, Papa Yankee 2, Delta Charlie Chief, Xylophone, 5-9.
Oscar Tango 5, India Delta, Papa Delta.
No Italia. Indicativo Oscar Tango 5, India Delta, Papa Delta. Oscar Tango 5, India Delta, Papa Delta. QSL? Papa Yankee 2, Delta Charlie X-ray. QSL?
My cell phone is not the best one. Because I'm broke a lot.
Thank you for calling from São Paulo, Brazil. Mi nome è Gregorio. Gregorio, QSL?
Gregório.
No Italia.
No Italia.
Belgica.
O nome é italiano, Gregório.
Tango 5, Italy Delta, Papa Delta. Oscar Tango 5, India Delta, Papa Delta. QSL?